562rent.com.
Welcome to 2601 East Ocean Boulevard, Long Beach, California 90802. This is a listing for an ocean view, one bed. Taking a casual look around the building, the neighborhood, and the unit itself, same as you would if you came by to take a look. It's across the street from the ocean. Unit has a full ocean view with no obstruction. And look at your building again. Walking into the entertainment room for the building. With just seating, flat screen TV. Looks out onto the pool. Has a kitchen. Full dining area. Looking towards your pool. Seating around your kitchen. Charging station for the laundry room cards. Once again, this is the entertainment room for the building, which you're allowed to reserve to host events. A closer look at your seating area around the TV. To your right leads to bathroom number 1 in your entertainment room. Walking into a second bathroom, which comes with a full-size shower. The first bathroom did not have a shower or bath, so technically not a bathroom. To your right would be a sauna. Looking at your pool area, you have a smaller hot tub area and your main pool, which also looks out towards the ocean. Seating around the pool. Lots of space to relax. Walking towards your barbecue area. To your right behind the gate will be a car washing area if you ever wanted to wash your car at home. Unit comes with one parking space in a gated garage with remote. Parking space has 3 lockers. One huge locker for your surfboards and 2 smaller lockers on your left. Closer look at your lockers. Walking down the corridor on the 3rd floor. Each floor has 2 trash chutes. Walking to the one closest to your unit. Each floor has 1 laundry room. With 1 washer and 1 dryer. And the machines use the cards that you recharge downstairs in the entertainment room. It is 75 cents to wash, 75 cents to dry. Walking into the unit is an ocean view, furnished, 1 bed, 1 bath on the 3rd floor. Has Verizon fires, lots and lots of closet space. To your left was your guest closet. Your living room looks onto the ocean, same as your bedroom looks onto the ocean. Living room is approximately 19 by 14. The unit itself is approximately 700 square feet. Looking towards your dining area on your right. Guest closet on your left. Kitchen straight ahead. A closer look at your couch and table in the living room. Once again, the unit is approximately 700 square feet. Your living room is approximately 19 by 14. Closet space behind your couch in the living room. 2 closets in the living room. Your view from your living room. Looking into your kitchen. Just 3 bar stools. There's a microwave installed. Your right would be your refrigerator. In the middle would be your cooker, electric cooker. To your left would be your freezer. Closer look at your appliances in the kitchen. A closer look at your dishwasher. Unit does have a lot of mirrors, reflecting light, giving you a lot of space and a lot of light. Looking into your dining area. Back into your living room. And look down your hallway towards the bedrooms. Closets on both sides of the hallway and also at the end of the hallway. So 3 closets in the hallway. And your 3rd closet in the hallway. Walking into your bathroom. Bathroom comes with a full-size tub with a shower head. Walking into your bedroom. Bedroom's approximately 12 by 10. Also looks out onto the ocean. Comes with a queen size bed, bedside table, full size dresser. Your view from your bedroom. Closer look at your dresser and the bedroom. Back into your hallway. And back into your living room. Unit has a working AC with remote. A closer look at your dining room table. The dining area is 9 by 8 approximately and has a ceiling fan with a remote. Your view from your dining area. Your balcony. And a view of the beach. Please note, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you. Go on our website, 562rent.com, click on downloads, download the rental application, fill it out, bring it with your copy of ID and proof of income to the viewing. Once again, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you.